So I just watched the All Alienware Setup from Linus Tech Tips, where they presented a very nice dock from Dell. As a European citizen, as a guy from Austria, I looked up Dell to find this beautiful docking station, and of course I found it. So here's the video I watched, the All Alienware Setup, and of course I found the dock. 99 bucks. Perfect, safe, 47%, okay, 99, Dell is always on sale, they mentioned it in the video, perfect, superb. Now I'm going to, of course, the German side or the Austrian, European Dell side to check out this dock. They got back to school sale, boom, 167 euros, 170 euros. So my first thought, okay, maybe this back to school doesn't apply on the European side. So I Google it and find it on the US Amazon side for 98 bucks, reduced 34%. Here it's reduced 47%, 186, 140.99. So it's reduced, but it's still less than 100 bucks. The dock is nice, got a lot of inputs and power delivery from a MacBook Pro, so perfect. So heading to Amazon, to the European side for Amazon for Germany, where Germany supports Austria, and there you got it, 170 euros for this dock. Dell, what the actually is going on at your company? This is ridiculous. So this is a beautiful dock. For 100 bucks I will buy it, but for close to 200 euros, yeah, double the price and even a little more from this currently price, and Dell is always on sale, so don't get tricked by anything. Like Linus mentioned in the video, Dell, fix your prices in the EU. That's not possible, this kind of price difference between these stores. Thank you very much. If you got an alternative for this dock, please write it in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, you know the deal, let's go.